Now to a case that goes beyond crime and punishment. Several state prison employees could soon find themselves locked up in the prison system for which they worked.
Evidence and testimony presented in court has been graphic and inflammatory against the MDOC employees. But should they go to trial on involuntary manslaughter charges? That's the decision a judge will make next Monday. Let's bring in investigative reporter Karen Drew. She's been uncovering details on this case for months.
38-year-old Jonathan Lancaster was nearing the end of a 9-year state prison sentence for armed robbery. But instead of going home to his family, Lancaster died a horrible death in prison. Now, 8 prison employees face serious criminal charges. And Jonathan's sister says Michigan's unusually cruel prison culture is also to blame.
I want them to experience a little bit of what he did.
6 Michigan Department of Corrections employees could soon be on trial for involuntary manslaughter, 2 on trial for felony misconduct. Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel says the actions of the prison employees, including the warden, led to Jonathan Lancaster's death in 2019.
They abused him, and then they mentally, on top of it, the mental torment.
For days, a judge listened to testimony about what really happened behind bars to Jonathan Lancaster.
One of the other observations I made is that he had dry, cracked lips, and so based on what Inspector Contreras had advised me was that he was on a hunger strike, so I was certainly concerned that dehydration and starvation was a possibility.
The MSP detective who investigated Jonathan Lancaster's death took the stand. Sergeant Jeff Marker described the deceased inmate's starved and withered condition. So, how did we get here? We sat down with Jonathan's sister for some background. Danielle Dunn says her brother Jonathan had an altercation with another inmate and was moved to Alger County Correctional Facility in the UP. At Alger, Jonathan was put into indefinite solitary confinement. His condition quickly deteriorated.
Imagine a room the size of your bathroom with no windows, concrete block walls, and those spaces can get up to 100 degrees in the summertime because they're not air conditioned. So imagine that with no stimulus, and guess what? Mental health breakdown, which is so common.
Mentally broken, Jonathan stopped eating and drinking. He lost a quarter of his body weight, but instead of getting medical help, according to court testimony, Jonathan was strapped to a chair.
I just noticed that he was extremely skinny, that his hips were protruding.
According to the autopsy, Jonathan died of dehydration. The prison warden, assistant warden, and several nurses all charged with involuntary manslaughter.
And I could see his ribs, kind of sunken in eyes.
And that's not all.
His autopsy report shows the bruises, the cuts to his face.
Danielle believes that although neglect and abuse by prison employees caused her brother's death, solitary confinement was a big contributing factor.
The UN calls it sanctioned torture. Michigan sees it differently.
Unlike some states, Michigan has no restrictions on the legal use of solitary confinement. And Danielle wants that to change.
We have over 2,400 people in Michigan today who are sitting in solitary confinement, quote unquote, segregation cells, who are experiencing these things today without proper diagnosis, without proper medical health treatment.
The Alger County judge is expected to announce on Monday whether 6 of the prison employee defendants will indeed face a jury trial for involuntary manslaughter in Jonathan Lancaster's death. We'll let you know what happens. Back to you.
Hey, Karen, thank you. And this is a case the Local 4 investigative team has closely followed. To see more of Karen Drew's reports, head to our website, click on Detroit.com.